Hi, welcome to this video, how to make football edit on CapCut. So in order to do this, you can just go ahead to CapCut and press template, right? So there is an already made clips for football. So I'm going to search football, okay? And select your favorite, basically your favorite template, right? And you can use that template to add your photos or videos of your drills. So let's say I'm going to choose this one.
Unbelievable scenes. He's entered the field and he's got the ball on a run. He's past the first defender. Another one.
This one. Right. Basically select the design you want and add your photos. I'll tell you this one. Go ahead to use template. Go ahead and add your clips. Okay. Once you're done, let's say I'm gonna add this one. You can add as many as you want, by the way. Wait for a few moments.
Bobban.
Right.
The finger answer.
Once you're done, you could just hit export in the top right. You'll be able to share your design with the people. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps the channel. Next time, see ya.